The Specific Relief Act. The Specific Relief Act 1963 is the main legislation in India that governs the specific reliefs that may be granted by a court in civil cases. To crack down on a judicial exam, it is important to have a good understanding of the following topics related to the Specific Relief Act. Definition of Specific Relief. The Act defines specific relief as relief that is granted in the form of specific performance of contract, injunction, or declaration of a title to property. Specific performance of contracts. The Act sets out the conditions under which a court may grant specific performance of a contract and the circumstances under which specific performance may be refused. Injunctions. The Act provides for two types of injunctions, temporary and permanent, and sets out the rules for the grant of injunctions, including the grounds for granting and refusing injunctions. Declaration of a title. The Act provides for the right of a person to obtain a declaration of a title to property and sets out the rules for the grant of such a declaration. Rescission of contracts. The Act provides for the right of a property to a contract to obtain rescission of the contract and sets out the grounds for rescission. Rectification of instruments. The Act provides for the right of a property to obtain rectification of a written instrument and sets out the conditions under which rectification may be granted. Avoidance of fraudulent transference. The Act provides for the right of a person to avoid a transfer of property that has been made fraudulently and sets out the procedure for avoiding such transfers. It is important to study the relevant provisions of the Specific Relief Act, cases interpreting the Act, and legal concepts related to specific reliefs in order to be well prepared for a judicial exam. Additionally, practicing past exams and answering sample questions can help you to develop your legal reasoning and test taking skills.